so this is part 2 of the Easy Festival makeup look series that I am doing for you guys. So this is look number 2. I am absolutely in love with this, and you could literally swap this for any colours, obviously to match your outfit. And honestly, when I say it is so straightforward, like, wait till you watch the tutorial, but honestly, it's so straightforward, anybody would be able to achieve this. So yeah, I hope it helps. I'm going to be using the Sample Beauty Immensity palette, and we're going to use the pink, orange and yellow. You're going to go into your pink shade first and just create a sharp wing shape from the edge of the eye with the shadow. Make sure you get that line nice and sharp and then bring it across the lid. And I'm just using like a flat under eye brush that still has a bit of fluff. Then I'm just going to go in with nothing on a fluffy brush and just buff over the edge of that pink just to start blending it out. And just going in with the orange shadow just above the pink, but sticking to the same winged shape. And just buffing this as we apply so it's nice and blended. Using nice light pressure, so fingers towards the end of the brush. You're going to do the exact same thing that you did with the orange now, but just with the yellow and above the orange. And you're just going to buff the yellow shadow all the way across the eye and out the wing as well. So I'm just adding a little more pink shadow, and I'm going to go back through the other two shades as well, just to make sure they're all really nice and smoothly blended. So just going back through the orange shadow, just going back through the yellow one more time. I'm now just taking the pink shadow and creating like an inner corner wing with this. And I'm just using like a flat under eye brush, something that's really nice and thin. To get the shape of your inner corner wing, you literally just want to kind of pull from there into the like top lid of your eye where it meets the inner corner, and then you pull from underneath there and you just get that nice triangular shape. And just taking the pink shadow and buffing this underneath the eye as close to the lower lash line as possible. And just taking your orange shadow and buffing that directly underneath the pink, and also just buffing it underneath that wing a little bit. Then just gently buffing the yellow underneath that, and then also underneath that wing as well. Just added some of the designer lashes in the style DL103. These are half lashes, guys. They are stunning. And some mascara to finish off.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason.